Do you have to post content every single day? No. What's up, creators? It's your boy TJ. I just want to say Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I'm very excited to be bringing you some pretty dope content for this year. Today, I will be going over scheduling your social media content, which is a key step in the content creation process. Previously, I talked about researching, planning, and editing and recording your content as a part of the content creation crash course. I'll link that in the description below. But first, let's talk about why it is important to schedule your content. Now, one of the key reasons why it is important to schedule your content is that it will save you both time and energy, two things that you do not want to waste as you're trying to get your brand up and running. I wish I understood this concept much sooner because I wasted so much time with posting social media content. I was posting videos one by one when I should have just scheduled them all in one go. And another reason it is important to schedule your content because it ensures consistency. It ensures that you have a consistent presence on social media. Your target audience will know what to expect from you, and the algorithms reward consistency. So say for instance you post, let's say one time every day from Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. That is 5 pieces of content you are serving up to your audience each week. Now, as I mentioned, the algorithms reward consistency. In my previous video, I mentioned that I posted a YouTube short every day for 30 days straight, and I saw a massive gain in terms of both views and subscribers. I'll also link that in the description below. Now, that leads me to my next point. Do you have to post content every single day? The answer is no. You do not have to post content every single day. Some of these gurus have been lying to you all. Trust me, you do not need to be out here every single day posting content. Unless you're a major brand with tons of clients, it's not necessary to post every single day. Now, however, you can post 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and the evening on, let's say, Tuesdays and Thursdays at a certain time. That way you'll still be consistent, and that's 6 pieces of content for that week. Figure out what days you want to post and be consistent with it. Now let's move on to scheduling software. Now, there are both free and paid options for you to schedule your videos. Now, one of my go-to platforms is the Meta Business Suite, which allows you to schedule your social media posts for both Facebook and Instagram. What I like about the Meta Business Suite is that it allows you to easily schedule and post to both platforms at the same time. A key feature of this platform is that it shows you the best time to post each day, and this is all based on your current engagement with your followers and how many likes you're getting, views, etc. And another platform that I have used is Later, which allows you to schedule posts for 6 platforms, and those platforms are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and LinkedIn. And they have both free and paid options. The free plan gives you 10 posts for each platform every single month. And if you're just starting out and you want to get your feet wet on creating content, then I highly recommend you start out with Later if you have multiple platforms to post on in addition to Facebook and Instagram. Now, if you want to take your scheduling to the next level and have the means to do so, then you may want to invest in a paid scheduling software. Now, one platform that is very helpful, and this is if you are a small agency or an entrepreneur, you have multiple clients managing multiple social media accounts. And this software is Sprout Social. When I worked for a local marketing agency, we used Sprout to manage our clients' social media pages, and it is great to use, like I said, if you're managing multiple clients, but I wouldn't recommend it if you are just managing your own brand. Now, going back to Later, Later, as previously mentioned, has both free and paid options, and my most recommended plan for scheduling your content is the Later paid plan. It's called the starter plan. It's only 18 bucks a month. And this plan allows you to post 30 times per month onto each platform. It gives you the opportunity to customize your own link in bio page so you can link back to your previous content. You can schedule reels and much more. I'll link that in the description below. If this video provided value for you in any way, drop a like, leave a comment, and give me your biggest takeaway from this video. And also subscribe for more dope content. Again, Happy New Year. I hope 2023 brings you joy, peace, and blessings. And if no one else told you today, you matter and you were put on this earth to do great things.